invite the Player of the Match Award recipient, could I request Mr. Vikas Kumar and Mr. K. Shanmugam to present Abhishek Sharma for an outstanding performance tonight for the Player of the Match Award. 135 of 68 deliveries at a strike rate of 198. He also took 2 catches. He does contribute in the field too. Massive congratulations,
Thank you so
Abhishek.
much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I mean, it's not the first, it will not be the last, but we were literally, lost for words in explaining and admiring your 100. But how did you see it?
I mean, the way we started, I felt we had a plan, me and Hedy, obviously, in the power play, that we want to use the power play. But when we went into the wicket, I think it was a bit slow. So we had to be, replan it again, and we had that the matchups in our mind. So I was just wanted to, utilize the power play as I always do and always try. And it's just always been, special moment scoring in this special ground. And that also, I've said in the previous interview as well, you don't know the power score till you play the 20th over. So that was in my mind. I just wanted to, entertain the crowd. That's it.
You've been an integral part of the Sunrisers Hyderabad team over the past few seasons, but in the last 2 or 3 years, if I can literally pinpoint, you've just taken the game a notch higher and higher every season of the IPL. How have you managed that? Before I ask you about the celebration.
I mean, special mention to the team coaches and captain when they give you that situation that you can just go and express yourself. I feel as a young player 3 years back, probably that was in my mind. I always wanted to show my talent, whatever I have in the power play or probably in all the ballers. But you have to have the back from the captain and the coach. That's very important in the team. So I felt that the environment we had in the Sunrisers in 24 was a game changer for all of us, because it wasn't just the team. It felt like they actually wanted to win and throw the youngsters. So that was the plan, and I always wanted to play like this in my Punjab team as well. If you've seen the Punjabi players, they always enjoy this freedom, and of course playing in this Hyderabad has always felt like that.
12 of the Punjab players are playing in the IPL, and we've seen that contribution. But tell us about that celebration. Of course, your parents have been there watching you, but that celebration of yours, not just with the arms folded, but with your fingers as well.
I mean, of course, I've been doing this L celebration for quite long. It's just love for the stadium, the way they support us throughout all the tournament and all the games, even back at the hotel as well. It's just I want to contribute from my side, that I want to show some love to them. And the other thing, of course, my parents are here. It's a very special moment, and my sister is missing today because she had some infection. So this is for you as well. Yeah.
How many times when you go back and you of course talk to your father, your family, or everyone around who's assisted you, come out with saying you could have done X thing better or a Y shot better you could have played? Do you get that kind of feedback?
I mean, to be very honest, I don't know how, since under 12 days, my dad's been sitting next to the screen always, and in Hyderabad as well, he's always sitting there. And whenever I'm just on the non-striker end, he always tell me how to play. So it's